Business is not going to be the same after the pandemic. This has changed the way in which employees interact with their work. People are faced with the worst case scenario in 2020 and 2021, and now the tolerance is lower for environments that would create discomfort or create a lifestyle that they're not happy with. Because they faced worst case scenario, they're willing to take bigger risks and set themselves up in a situation that is more preferable to their tastes and what their goals are for their future, meaning they won't tolerate a situation as much that people might have tolerated in the past. Our parents and our parents' parents worked sometimes 30 to 40 years in jobs that were nightmarish and environments that were not positive, and that was just what they had to do. And I think jarring people out of that through this pandemic has created an environment where people realize, the worst can happen. Maybe I should take the opportunity and start something fresh and work in an environment that is more suited to me or that I prefer. Sometimes you need to be shaken out of your reality to be willing to take that risk and those steps.